Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something literally all around us: speech recognition AI. Taking our actual spoken voices and instantly translating them into the digital world. It's totally fascinating, and we're going to take a fun, structured journey to see exactly how this tech connects our voices to our devices. Let's get right into it. You've nailed it. That's exactly how our source material kicks things off. And honestly, I love that energy. Because when you're looking to build or integrate AI into your own life, nailing it really is the ultimate goal, right? Sure, the machine learning models under the hood are incredibly complex, like mind-bogglingly complex. But the core concepts of how you actually use them, they're totally manageable. We're going to nail down these essentials so you can get out there and deploy the stuff like a pro. Okay, let's dive into this with Section 1. Defining speech recognition AI. So, what exactly is automatic speech recognition, or ASR? Well, our source defines it beautifully. It's literally the bridge between spoken audio and digital text. For the longest time, computers only understood, precise inputs like keystrokes or mouse clicks. ASR changed the game. It acts as this incredible real-time translator, taking the wild, unstructured sound waves of human speech and building a bridge straight over to clean, machine-readable text. And when you think about it, that is a massive gap to cross. On one side, you have our raw spoken audio. It's messy, right? We have different accents, background noise, weird pacing. And on the other side, you need perfectly coded, absolute digital text. ASR is the bridge connecting those two totally different worlds. It takes our unpredictable real-world chatter, passes it through a neural network in mere milliseconds, and boom, outputs highly structured data. It's just a phenomenal feat of engineering. Let's move on to Section 2, everyday speech recognition tools, because it goes way beyond just basic voice assistants. Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is just how much everyday traffic is already crossing our ASR bridge. Our source maps out 4 main categories: dictation, live captions, transcription software, and smart home control. The underlying DNA of these tools is pretty similar, but how they actually show up in our day-to-day lives is incredibly diverse. Let's check out the mechanics of each one. First up, we've got dictation. Think about your smartphone. You're walking the dog, holding a coffee, and you need to send a message. You hit that little microphone button, speak your mind, and the phone instantly writes out your text or email, totally hands-free. What's wild is that a lot of this processing is actually happening right there on your device, acting as your own personal transcriptionist on the go. Next, we have live captions. This is where the magic really happens on platforms like Google Meet. The pressure here is intense because it's all about low latency. The AI literally has to listen to you speak and instantly throw real-time subtitles up on the screen. It's like building the train tracks while the train is already moving at full speed. It's absolutely crucial for global accessibility, requiring some seriously optimized tech to keep things accurate without lagging behind. Then we've got transcription software, tools like Otter.ai. Now, unlike live captions, this doesn't need to be instant. You can take a massive, hour-long recorded audio file from a meeting or an interview, feed it into the software, and it automatically transforms the whole thing into a highly accurate, easily readable, and searchable written document. Since it doesn't have that crazy low-latency pressure, it can take a breath and focus purely on getting every single word exactly right. Finally, we can't forget smart home control. Devices like the Amazon Echo. In this case, ASR is really just step 1. It hears your voice, turns it into text, and then passes the baton to a totally different engine to figure out what you actually want. That's how you can effortlessly yell across the room to play your favorite playlist or turn down the thermostat. It processes the command and just makes it happen. Okay, let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, planning your ASR project. It's time to go from just using this tech to actually building with it. Our source asks a really foundational question here. Are you looking to integrate this technology into a project, or do you need recommendations for the best software? It's a great question, right? Because before you write a single line of code, you really need to pin down exactly what your personal or professional project actually needs. So the crucial point is figuring out your budget. That's your first major duality. Are you just tinkering around, building a cool little prototype where a free open source model will totally do the trick? Or are you building a massive enterprise app that needs premium, paid software with rock-solid API support and guarantees? Nailing down your budget constraint right out of the gate makes narrowing down your options a whole lot easier. The next big decision is all about timing. It's a tug of war between real-time streaming and post-recording transcription. Does your project need instantaneous subtitles like a live stream? Or are you processing audio that's already been recorded, where the system can take its time to ensure the highest possible accuracy? Your software stack is going to look wildly different depending on which path you choose. To keep things super clear, our source gives us a fantastic 3-point integration checklist. Number 1, define your device or platform. Number 2, establish your budget. Are we going free or paid? And number 3, pick your transcription type, real-time or post-recording. Get those 3 parameters locked in, and you've basically got the architectural blueprint for your perfect software match. Which brings us right to the ultimate question straight from the text. What device or platform are you building for? Let me know so we can narrow down the options. We've seen how ASR acts as this incredible bridge between our voices and the digital world, scaling all the way from our pockets to the cloud. The tools are out there waiting for you. So, what kind of bridge are you going to build? Thanks for tuning into this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.